Good morning everyone. I welcome you again to the mathematics class of the angels. We have already started triangles and today we shall be doing the basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. Let's state the theorem first. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting other two sides, then it divides the sides in the same ratio. That means it is given that a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC and it intersects AB in D and AC in E. We have to prove whether AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. See, we will have to construct a bit. Join BE CD. We have to also draw perpendiculars EF on AB and DZ on AC. Now, do you know how to calculate the area of a triangle? Very simple, you have been learning right from class 6. So, area of triangle ADE. See, there are two perpendiculars. One is EF, the other one is DZ. When you look from this side, AD becomes the base and EF becomes the height, and therefore the area of triangle is half into AD into EF. But when you take this as base, in that case you will have to write it is also half into DZ into AE. Therefore, when you put the area of this triangle DEB, naturally this will be the height and this will be the base. So this amounts to area of triangle DBE half into DB into EF, and similarly area of triangle ECD. This is the one, this is the one. This is the height and this is the base. Therefore, this gives you half into EC into DZ. See, there is one more fact, that this triangle and this triangle DEB and triangle DEC are on the same base DE and they are between the same parallels DE and BC. Therefore, they are equal in areas. So, we can take this fact here. Triangle DEB and DEC are on the same base and between the same parallels. Therefore, area of DEB is equal to area of DEC, or their reciprocals. 1 upon area of DEB is equal to 1 upon area of DEC. But we should not forget that the ratios which we took, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEB gives you half cancels half and EF cancels EF, and you have AD upon DB. Similarly, from this ratio you have AE upon EC. When you put them in this, you get from these three equations 1, 2 and 3, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This you have to go through once, and tomorrow I'll be giving you a self test, and then of course we will have to do some exercises on this. We will also do the converse of this theorem tomorrow. Thanks for joining.